Hi, thank you for choosing us as your partner. In this video, we will explain how to install our Pagoda tent. Make sure you have all the parts you need. Check the parts list in the manual. Lay the corner pieces, connector pieces, and horizontal tubes in approximately the correct position. Connect the horizontal tubes using the connector pieces and fit the connected tubes into the corner pieces. Ensure that the ketter groove with the wide opening is facing down. Connect the corners diagonally with each other using the steel cables. Tension the cables manually and evenly using the turnbuckles. Lay the roof canvas over the frame. Pull the nylon loops over the corners. One of the loops has a drawstring to pull the last loop over the corner. Assemble the center pole. Install the center pole under the roof canvas. Install the flag on top of the center pole. Slide the pole base over the uppermost cross cable into the center. Ensure the ketter groove is at the top of the vertical poles. Place 2 poles on one side beneath the frame. Place the other 2 poles in the same way. The rope should be on the outside. Ensure that the ketter groove is still facing down. Affix the center pole with the attachment clamp at the bottom. Ensure that the ketter grooves are fitted at an angle of 45 degrees in relation to the corners. Fit a base plate beneath each pole. Ensure the 2 horizontal pins are pointing to the outside of the tent. Ensure that the openings correspond so that you can affix the poles. Attach the short tension strap with the S-hook at the rope on the corners of the roof. Attach the ratchets with the D-ring to the base plate and tighten the tension strap. Slide the suspension eyes of a half sidewall via the ketter groove in the roof frame. Now slide the ketter rope on the side of the wall into the corner pole from top to bottom. Repeat for the other half of the wall and close the zipper. Click the snap connectors into place. Also, the ones on the inside of the roof. Assemble the ground tubes and slide them through the sleeves in the sidewalls. Slide the tubes over the pins and place the R-pin. There you go, you're all set. To take down the tent, first remove the sidewalls, then remove the legs 2 by 2 and deassemble the roof frame of the tent. Thank you for watching. Visit our website for more information.